Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add a new blog post on your WordPress website, right? If you have created a WordPress website and now you are wondering how you can write a blog post on your WordPress website, then it is super easy. As you can see, I'm into my WordPress website admin dashboard, and here in the left side toolbar you can check the option of post, right? You just need to click on the post, and here you will find the add post button over there, right? Either you can click over here or either in the top of this particular page also there is an add post button, right? You can click from anywhere, right? And I have clicked on the add post, and as you can see it is asking me about the title of my blog post. You can simply write your blog post title over here, then you can start writing matter from here, you can start writing content from here, and if in between you want to add image, then you just simply need to click on this add block, right? You can move your cursor and you can click on add block, and you can simply embed YouTube video, or you can add images or gallery, whatever you want to add, right? You can add image or gallery, and this is how you can write an article. And here in the right side you can see there is a toolbar having two options, post and block, right? And if I go to the post section, then you can set the feature image, right, cover image of this blog post as well. And here if I go to the status, then this blog post is under draft mode as of now, right? You can simply change the post status and visibility to draft to pending, right? If you have an editor who reviews the particular blog post and corrects the mistake and then publish it, then you can select this pending, or like you can select the private as well, right? If you just want to showcase your blog post to admin and editors, as of now you don't want to show it to the public, then you can mark this blog post as private. And you can also schedule this blog post for getting published in the future date or time, right, on the scheduled date and time. You can also change it to publish and click on publish. So if you want to publish your blog post right after writing it, you can also make this blog post as password protected. So if a user visits your blog post web page, then he or she needs to enter the password to see the blog post, right, to read that particular post. You can also mark this blog post as sticky, so on the blog page it would be shown in the top of the blog, right? Apart from it, there is the slug part. You can click on this and you can simply change the permalink structure of your blog post. You can simply type the whatever the URL or slug you want to keep of this particular web page, right? You can simply add keywords into it. Apart from that, this is the author who is going to write and publish this blog post, and the discussion is open, right? You can also mark it as closed, so nobody can comment on this blog post, right? Or if you keep it as open, then visitors can add their comments and reply on this blog post, right? Apart from it, this is the Yoast SEO Score, right? It would automatically improve if you start writing a blog post and you maintain the SEO parameters and hygienes, right? And this SEO score would automatically improve, right? We have created dedicated video on each and every topic, whether it is of Yoast SEO, whether it is of how to write a blog post, that you can check it out in our YouTube playlist, right? You can simply select the category for which this blog post belongs to, so that automatically this blog post is going to be seen in that particular category, and it would be easier for your website visitors to find this blog post, right? You can also add tags to it and make sure that categories and tags URL are indexed in the search engine in the Google, right? Then they will also rank, right? So indirectly you are going to get traffic from those URLs as well. So you can add some good tags that are of high search volume keywords, right? So those tags can also rank in Google, because tags are also indexed in search engine result page, so you are going to get benefit from there also, right? And apart from it, you can simply click on publish to publish the blog post, or you can like click on save draft if you want to change the status of this blog post to the draft mode. Apart from it, if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about this particular topic, then also I have added my blog post link in the video description. Just visit that particular link and you can read the complete blog post to get more details about this topic. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.